Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Ramesh and I am from Karana University, and I am here to explain my data structures program, and my program is to implement the stack using linked list. So here I got in this program I also have to explain the implementation of queue using linked list. So two aims are there. First is implementation of stack using linked list, and then implementation of queue using linked list. So first of all, we will see the implementation of stack using linked list. So first of all, what is linked list? Linked list is a collection of data elements called nodes, and each is pointing towards the next node by the means of a pointer. And it is a data structure consists of a group of nodes which forms a sequence. So it is actually a collection of data elements which are called nodes, and it points towards the next node using a pointer. So that what is linked list. And what is stack? Stack always follow the last in first out principle, and inside the stack we can push the elements and pop out the elements. So let's see how the stack is implemented using linked list. Here I have included two header files. First is iostream and then is standard library, and using namespace std, and then I have created a structure that is stack node, because we are working with linked list and we are working with the node, and in the node there are two sections. First is for value and then second is for the pointer. So we will also use a pointer here, and then we have declared a data in the integer data type, which will be the value, and then stack node star next is a pointer, and then star top is also the pointer. First we will use a void push one. Void push one is to push the elements inside the stack. Here the stack node will work, that is stack node is equal to start temp is equal to new stack node. Start temp is also the another pointer which will declare a new stack node, that is that will be the new node in which a value and a pointer variable is to be inserted. And then here I have given some cout and cin statement, that is enter the data to be inserted, and then there is a cin statement, that is temp, which will include the data or the value. And here the temp equal to, and that is temp inserted, that is next equal to top, and then top equal to temp. And for the void pop, that is pop will be to take out the element from the stack or to pop the elements from the stack. And here some if else statement are there, that is if top equal to null, that is top is empty, then stack is empty. And else stack node start temp or temp equal to top. And here when this condition come, a cout statement will be come, that is element is deleted from the stack. So this is how the element is deleted from the stack. So this if else condition will work for the deletion of the stack, and this condition will work to enter the data into the stack. And then we have another function that is called void display, and in this again we have some if and while loop, that is top equal to null, then stack is empty again, and then stack node is equal stack node start temp equal to top, and then while is not equal to null, that means we are a value is included. This cout statement will show that what value we have inserted into the stack, and then this equation will show that what all elements are inserted in the stack. And then we have the main function, that is int main, and then int ch and top equal to null. And here a while loop is there, that is cout enter the choice, while loop to run the program again and again for the user, and then cout enter the choice. And here we are declaring some choice for the user, that is push pop and display. And then cin, that is this ch will ask the user to enter the option number, that is 1, 2 or 3. And then here are some switch cases, that is push, pop and display. So this is how this implementation of stack using linked list. So let's see how the output works. So I'm going to build and run this program. So here is that enter the choice. First of all, we will push some elements into the stack, that is and one, then so now let's see what are elements are inserted in the stack, that is I will choose the third option, that is display. So 4, 3, 2, 1 are the elements which are inserted in the stack. So now we will take out the all the elements. Now we will pop out the elements. So and here again I'll pop out. Now all the elements are deleted and it is showing the stack is empty. So this is how this program works. So now let's go to our next program, that is implementation of queue using linked list. So in this we saw that how stack is implemented using linked list. Now we will see the how queue is implemented using linked list. So here so before that, what is queue actually? Queue or here I have using the circular queue. Circular queue is a linear data structure which follows the first in or first out principle. So the last node is connected to the first one, and the element are entered or element are inserted in the rear position, and element which should be deleted, it should be deleted from the first position. So so the last node is connected back to the first node, and this is how a circle completes. So this is how a circular queue is made. So this is how a circular queue is made. So here in this I have used the IOStream header file. Then I have defined the size of nodes, that is max equal to 5. 5 nodes can be used, and here the using namespace std is also there, that is circular, and class I have created, that is for circular queue, and here some private and public functions are there, that is int cq cqarr, and then int front and rear, and then in the public which can be so in this public we can take these public values anywhere in the program, that is circular queue, and then some of this are defined, that is new int max when we have to insert some values inside the queue, and then here this void insert, this function will help to insert the values, that is if front equal to 0 and rear equal to max minus 1. This is how a circular queue is made, and then when this circular queue is made and when this function works, so it will show the queue is overflow. So this condition will define how the queue is overflowed, and then we have some more function of if else statement, that is if equal to minus 1, that is, and then front equal to 0 and rear equal to 0, else if then again rear equal to max minus 1, rear equal to 0, and here expression is there, that is rear equal to rear plus 1. So and this function will help to insert the element inside the queue. Now we will go to the another function which will show how to delete the element from the queue, and for the deletion we have some more if else statement, that is if front equal to minus 1, it will, when this condition will come, so it will show the queue is underflow, that means no more elements are present in the queue, and then it will also show that what all elements are deleted from the queue. So this is how this function works, and inside this we have some more if else statement which will show that what all elements and how it is going to be deleted from the queue. And then we have the third function, that is for void display, to display the function what all elements are inserted or what all elements are deleted from the queue. So this all in if and while function will show that how these values should be displayed. So in this integer data type, front pos POS is equal to front, and rear POS, that is rear front position, rear position is defined in the integer data type, and then front equal to minus 1, then queue is empty, and we have returned some value here, and then cout queue elements. So cout queue elements mean when we have entered many values, then this cout statement will show the how many values or how many elements are inserted in this queue. So in this also we have some if else statement, and while loop is also there, and so this is all for the displaying of the element. And then we have int main. So in this int main we are going to the actual program where we will give user some options to carry out this program, that is and here I have made cout statements and some switch cases for the option, that is, and some variables I have declared, that is choice and item, that in the integer data type, and do while loop is there, that is do while loop is there, and some cout statement, that is insert, delete, display, and quit. And then we have some enter your choice, and we will take the choice from the user. And then some switch cases are also there, that is input the element for the insertion in queue, and then we have for deletion, and then we have for the display. And default we have the wrong choice. And so default only we have 4 choices, so when choice is not equal to 4, so it will show this default function, that is the wrong choice. So let's see how this program works. I'm going to build and run this program. So here is the compiler page, and now let's see. So first of all, I'm going to insert it first, choice to insert. So now I'm going to display that what all elements I've insert. So let's insert one more element. Now let's display. I'm going to choose the third option, that is display. So 1 2 3 4 elements I have inserted, and then now let's delete some elements. 1 is deleted, 2 is deleted, 3 is deleted. Let's see what are elements left in the queue. Only one element is left, that is 4. Now let's delete it, delete 4 also, and now we don't have anything. So this will show the queue is underflow, that is no more element is left in this. So this is how this implementation of stack and queue using linked list works. Thank you and have a nice day.